everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a handy car accessory that can make your life a lot easier, the car Rearview mirror wiper cleaning tool. If you're tired of smudges, dirt, and water spots on your mirrors and windows, this might be just what you need. This is a versatile auto glass mist cleaner and scraper with a telescopic handle, designed specifically for car mirrors, windows, and glass surfaces. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and perfect for quick touch-ups while on the go. One of the coolest features is the telescopic handle, which extends to reach those hard-to-access spots. Whether it's the rearview mirror or the side windows, you can get a thorough clean without straining. The tool combines a scraper and a cleaning brush, allowing you to remove stubborn dirt, water spots, and smudges easily. Just spray a little glass cleaner or water, and then wipe or scrape away dirt for a crystal clear view. It's super simple to use, just extend the handle, spray your preferred cleaning solution, and wipe down the glass. The scraper is effective for stubborn grime, while the brush helps lift dirt from delicate surfaces. Check out this difference. A quick clean with this tool restores clarity and improves visibility, making your driving safer. So, if you're looking for an affordable, convenient way to keep your car's glass surfaces spotless, I definitely recommend giving this a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Safe driving!